There are many animals that live in the trees all over the world in different countries. Here are the animals that live in the trees. Tree frogs live in the trees in North America in the area of the Pacific coast. They get their air through their skin. Tree frogs don't have eyelids to blink. They also live in the water. Tree frogs have feet called pads. The color of the frogs are green, gray, or brown. Their legs are long for them to hop or climb in trees. Tree frogs have red eyes. Flying squirrels can glide up to 400 feet from the next tree like they're hang gliding. They do not have bird's wings, but they got a built-in glider to connect to the feet and wrist called a patagia. Flying squirrels have special eyes to see well in the dark. They are nocturnal animals, which means they're nighttime animals. Their native home is in North America, South America, and Asia. Flying squirrels use vocalization to communicate. The typical diet of flying squirrels is nuts like their cousins, the tree squirrels and the ground squirrels. The color of the flying squirrel is black, gray, or brown. Gibbons have the same body as people. They are considered small apes. They can swing from the arm from one branch to another. Gibbons are great at vocalization to communicate. Color gibbons are white, brown, black, or orange. They got strong arms and are great climbers in trees. Gibbons' diet is mostly plants. Their native home is in Southeast Asia and Africa, tropical forests. They have no tails. Birch frogs are considered bear cats that live in forests of Southeast Asia. They are the kind of animals that are nighttime animals, nocturnal, and daytime diurnal. The color of birch frogs is mostly black, brown, and gray. They have whiskers like a cat, round ears like a bear. They eat leaves and fruit. Birch frogs are 69 pounds and medium-sized animals. They use their tails as arms to hold on to things and grab them, similar to elephants that use their trunks. Birch frogs are great climbers. In their native habitat, they prefer to be alone. Birch frogs are great swimmers in the water. They communicate through vocalization. Birch frogs' native home is in Southeast Asia and the tropical rainforest. Green iguanas are big lizards have bands around their body and tail. They use their skin color green to match with the vegetation in their environment. Green iguanas are great swimmers and divers. In the water, they use their tails as a motorboat. Green iguanas can climb high in trees. They got a flap on their skin called a dewlap that hangs from their throat area to control their body temperature. Green iguana's diet is fruit, leaves, and flowers. Color of the big lizard is orange, yellow, green, blue, and gray. Weight is around 10 pounds and 5 feet long. Their native home is in South Mexico, Central South America, and the Caribbean. Tree kangaroos are big tree animals at 89 centimeters tall and weigh about 14 kilograms. They are slow at hopping on the ground at 4 miles an hour. Tree kangaroos use their tail to keep their balance. The ground kangaroo is their cousin. The color of the tree kangaroo is red, gray, and black. The native home is in Queensland, Australia, and Papua New Guinea. Chimpanzees are considered small apes and well known to use tools to get their food, which means they are very smart. They are cousins to human beings. Their habitat is in the tropical forest in Central and West Africa. Chimpanzees' diet is fruits, flowers, seeds, and nuts. Their height is 4 feet tall and weigh about 149 pounds. They have no tails. Chimpanzees live in groups called communities. They use vocalization to communicate. They use sign language to communicate to humans. When chimpanzees climb in trees, they swing one arm at a time. They walk like humans on the ground. The color of chimpanzees are brown and black. North American gray fox live in a native home in North and Central America. They are great tree climbers. They are nocturnal, nighttime animals. They use vocalization to communicate. The gray fox habitat is in the desert and forest. The color of the gray fox is gray with patches of brown or red. They match with the coloring of their environment. The cousin is the dog. They are considered tree climbing dogs. Their diet is mostly plants. They are medium-sized animals at 75 centimeters tall.